much for stopping by the channel to see what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch. And today it's all about deep cleaning my refrigerator because it's well overdue. Well, let's get it. Let's go. I knew I needed to clean, I'm talking deep clean, my refrigerator, and I was just procrastinating. But I was standing in the checkout line at my grocery store, and there was an article staring right at me in one of those magazines. So I opened up the magazine, and it talked about staying on schedule to maintain our homes. And I said to myself, this must be a sign. So today we're deep cleaning our refrigerator. And if you need this motivation, well, just go ahead and put me up near your refrigerator, somewhere in your kitchen, and let's clean together. So first things first, I'm pulling my refrigerator from the wall and unplugging it because we're doing a deep cleaning. So these are the steps I will be following on today. Throwing out recalled or expired food. Emptying my fridge by taking out my shelves, drawers, and other removable parts. Washing my shelves, my drawers, and my removable parts in hot, soapy water. When removing our shelves, remember the glass is cold and the water is hot. So allow your shelves to come to room temperature, or we could have a break in the situation. Wiping my fridge down, the interior and the exterior from top to bottom, making sure to rinse as well, and finish off with a clean towel or cloth. Then return all my shelves and drawers back to its place. And also wipe down all containers, jars, before returning to your clean refrigerator. Last step, plug it back up. We need the power.
Let the anthem rise up, let the song ring out, let the ground now tremble as we raise a shout. Let the anthem rise up, let the song ring out, and let the ground now tremble as we raise a shout. Oh, there's only one name. We lift up a shout. We lift up a shout. Oh, together we sing. We lift up a shout. We lift up a shout. Oh, there's only one name. We lift up a shout. Lift up a shout. Shout, lift up a shout of praise. We lift up a shout.
If your deep cleaning will take longer than 2 hours, make sure to store your food items either on ice or in another refrigerator. For me, I have a deep freezer, so those items who can be housed there, well, they're in the deep freezer until this cleaning is completed. I am Katrina. I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And on my channel, well, I share my love of home decor, cooking, cleaning, vlogs, and shopping hauls. And if these are things that interest you, you already know what to do. Go ahead and like, subscribe, hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload. Okay, we finished the top part of our refrigerator, and now it's time to move on to the freezer part. I know you're cleaning with me, so come on, let's finish this task together. Now this is what you call a deep cleaned refrigerator. Thanks again for watching the video from start until the end. Now, before leaving out on today, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Leave a kind comment below because you know thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. And if you're new here, then you must subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.